Good morning everyone. In today's video we'll discuss the last part of the language part, that is language miscellaneous, and we'll try to solve out these things. Now one thing I would like to tell you, that finding doubts or if you want any clarification regarding any of these questions displayed on the screen, do text me. I'll surely send you the answer back. And this will end this miscellaneous part. It's quite interesting to check the errors that we commit often, the common uses of common terms. So this video is going to be an interesting one, just like the previous videos. Go through this thing, pause a little bit during the question and the answer, so that you can answer your own and you can evaluate yourself. So go through these very topics. Here you have come to the last part of language miscellaneous, that is 66. What dash if he comes? Do you expect me? You expect me to do? You expect to do? Do you expect me to do? What do you expect me to do if he comes? 67. This place looks different as what I thought. That, from, of, why. Answer is from. This place looks different from what I thought. 68. He played no part in the campaign, as he blank in his book is explaining it, explains it, explains that. Answer it explains. What you need to do, as I told you before, pause the video and have a look at it. He played no part in the campaign, as he explains in his books. She is a very good friend of mine, me, I, and my. The proper pronoun to be used here, mine. 70. You may have a blue one or a red one. Take blank you like best. Which, that, whichever, each other. Answer is whichever. You may have blue or a red one. Take which one, whichever you like best. 71. One of the blank had been broken. Children's toy, child's toys, child's toy, child's toys. Since we are using one of the, so we expect the plural form of toy. Next, 72. How many dash you need? Do you need? More, much, few, much more. Answer is more. How many more do you need? Next one, 73. He has blank of humor. The sense, his sense, a sense. Answer is he has a sense of humor, a sense. I don't remember blank them last year. Seeing, to see, of seeing, that we saw. Seeing, I don't remember seeing them last year. He had a blank old daughter. 17 years, 17th year, 17 hyphen year, 17 years apostrophe. Answer is 17 hyphen year. He had a 17-year-old daughter. They will meet again blank October. In the last, in late, in later, the latest in. Answer is in late October. They will meet again in late October. I saw him blank. Come, to come, came, upcoming. Come. I saw him come. 78. There were more than two blank soldiers. Thousand, thousands, thousands of, thousand of. Answer is 2000 soldiers. The team's excellent result are due to dash cohesion. His, its, her, its. Answer is its cohesion. The team's excellent result are due to its cohesion. Next, don't begin unless he blank you. Will tell, shall tell, tells, would have told. Answer is tells. Don't begin unless he tells you. He ordered that the luggage blank left behind would have been, should be, are, will have been. Answer is should be. He ordered that the luggage should be left behind. 82. Excuse me, could you tell me what blank this word means? Means this word, does mean this word, does this word mean? Answer is first one. Excuse me, could you tell me what this word means? 83. Blank you are! Exclamatory sign. What luck! How lucky! Such luck! So much luck! And the answer is how lucky you are! Exclamatory sign. 84. That fire was not the first one, comma, blank question mark. Was that, did it, was not it, was it? And the answer is was it. This is a question tag. That fire was not the first one. Was it? 85. I only need half dash chairs. Much, as many, fewer, much more. And answer is as many. I only need half as many chairs. Next one, 86. He blank buy it today. Need not, does not need, needs not, need not to. Answer is need not buy it today. 87. We need blank any help we can get. Any, some, anyone, everyone. Any. We need any help we can get. 88. The blank said about it the better. Lest, least, lesser, less. Answer is less. The less said about it the better. 89. He is not so strong as he does. Used to, used to be, was, used to be. Answer is used to be. He is not so strong as he used to be. Used to refers to past regular habit. 90. Who does could it be? Other, else, another, the other. Who else could it be? Who else could it be? 91. Did you say blank? Did you say met her yesterday? Where, whom, whose, who? Answer is who. Who did you say met her yesterday? 92. Do you think they will come back? Hyphen, I hope blank. No, not, that not so. Answer is not. Do you think they will come back? Question mark, I hope not. 93. Blank in this differ from the French. The German, the Germans, the Britain, the Sweden. Answer is the Germans. The Germans in this differ from the French. 94. He was late again. blank was to be expected. What? So as, such as, which. He was late again, which was to be expected. Move on to question number 95. We will take either train, blank the bus, or and either whether. Answer is or. We'll take either the train or the bus. 96. Now let me be clearly to understand, understood, understand, understanding. Answer is understood. Now let me be clearly to understand. Let me be clearly understood. It is in passive form. Active, you can write do understand me. 97. I won't have you blank that sort of thing. Said, to say, to saying. Answer is say. I won't have you say that sort of thing. 98. I am looking forward to blank soon. Have to hear you, be allowed to hear you, hearing from you. Answer is I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. 99. Can you spare me 5 minutes? Yes, I do. Yes, I can. Yes, I can do. No, I don't. Answer is yes, I can. Can you spare me 5 minutes? Yes, I can. 100. Come and spend the weekend with us. I would like blank. It too, so I did. Answer is 2. Come back and spend the weekend with us. I would like to. Here ends this very part of miscellaneous. Later we'll go through this formal concept or grammatical uses. Finding any doubt, you should let me know, or if you have gone through that entire video, that means all the 3 parts, you may find some interesting facts in these things, and if you want explanation, then you have to ask me via WhatsApp or during the live classes, so that those doubts can be cleared. So here you end this miscellaneous part. Thank you very much.